in a forward bias arrangement of PN junction diode. Now, forward bias arrangement of PN junction diode means it is the way in which battery is connected across PN junction diode so that junction diode allows the electric current to flow through it, or it behaves like a closed circuit. For the flow of electric current through the junction diode, it is essential that positive terminal of battery, it must be connected to what? Positive terminal of battery, it must be connected to P region, while negative terminal of battery, it must be connected to N region. See what happens when positive terminal is connected to P region and negative terminal is connected to N region, then concentration of electrons in N region goes on increases, as well as concentration of hole will goes on increases. Because concentration of electrons in N region goes on increases, then what happens to the width of depletion layer? Because these electrons, they start moving towards near to that of PN junction. Electron start moving towards what? PN junction. As a result of which, what happens to the width of depletion layer? Width of depletion layer goes on decreases, and if the applied voltage applied across that PN junction diode is greater than the barrier potential, then electron, they will cross the PN junction and they may get combined with what? Holes in PN region, holes in P region, and again further they get attracted towards what? Positive terminal of battery. Means there is a continuous flow of electron from negative terminal into N region. These electrons, they start decreasing the width of depletion layer. Finally, that depletion layer disappears and electron combined with holes, and remaining electron, they are able to reach to what? Positive terminal of a battery. Means there is a flow of electron through PN junction diode from N region to P region, means electric current, it flows from P region to that of N region. Means whenever positive terminal of battery is connected to P region and negative terminal of battery is connected to N region, then there is a flow of electric current through PN junction diode. So you always remember that in a forward bias arrangement of PN junction diode, that P region is connected to positive terminal of battery and N region must be connected to what? Negative terminal of battery. So option B is the correct option for this question.